Since we only have 1 week between session 6 and session 7, I want to make this introduction to paper 4, give you an overview so that you can start preparing. As you can see, the theme is lifelong learning. As we close out this course, and as you can guess, Augsburg is concerned about you continuing to be intentional about how you keep yourself relevant in your field, how you engage your world, how you fuel your passions, take care of your family, things like that. And that does require some intentionality about how you get new information, how you use new information, and how you intend to pursue the course of your life. So for this project, you'll be writing a 3 to 5 page book review or movie review or play review on something that we've already discussed around this idea of inspiration. As you can probably guess from the first 3 papers, this is another opportunity for you to think about yourself and your life. In those first papers, we were looking at influencers, role models, the kinds of things that you're concerned about for the future. And now, in this particular case, we're looking at inspiration and why you were inspired by it. How is it connected to your goals, your values, and your life roles? And you might be thinking to yourself, it was just a good movie, it was just a good book. Well, we want to get underneath that. Why was it that way to you? Because clearly it was not that way to everyone. No matter how good the book or movie or play is, we make different kinds of choices. So why did you choose that particular book or play or movie as your inspiration? And to complete this paper, there are 4 questions. The first is you laying out the major points or message of the book. I was familiar with many of the books and movies that you chose, but not all of them, so I need you to lay out what the major points are so we can be understanding what you're talking about together. The second is a review of Bill George's article, what you've learned about authentic leadership in this particular book, movie, or play. Now again, you might be thinking, I just was inspired by it. It was a good movie. It was a good book. I really enjoyed it. I don't see elements of authentic leadership. I want you to pause on that because inspiration frequently has elements of leadership in it, and there might be something in that Bill George list that could help you understand why this particular piece was inspirational to you. Then I'd like your recommendation of the value of this book to your classmates, or maybe even to future classes. Now these first 3 questions do not have to be long. They should be complete as always, but we're really driving into this 4th question, how you might apply what you've learned in this book to all aspects of your life and vocation. Those elements of inspiration that you're seeing in this book or movie or play may have elements that are going to play out over your entire life and vocation. Is it the notion of courage? Is it solving some deep riddle or problem in your life? Is it the idea of persistence? What is it in this particular work that has inspired you that you can make that application into the rest of your life? If you have questions, of course, you can email me at any time, or you can ask me during class on Friday, March 15th. I'll be happy to answer any questions you have then. And this paper is due on Friday, March 22nd. I really need you to try and get it in on Friday, March 22nd, because your final exam is due that next week, and I have to get all the grades wrapped up within just a few days. So again, if you have questions, let me know. I look forward to seeing you on Friday, March 15th.